Hey mamas! We just got back from our first big road trip to Lake Tahoe, and I wanted to share the top 10 things that helped us be more successful. Ryan broke his first tooth while we were on the road, so he was a little bit crabby the whole week that we were there and woke up every 2 hours at night, but that's okay. I just wanted to share with you a couple things as far as teething goes. I brought with us this little mitt that's by Itsy Ritzy. It goes on their hand, and then they kind of have really good traction so that they can teeth on this easily, and you can strap it onto their wrist here, and then it holds on there. Another Itsy Ritzy product is this teether. It kind of looks like a little popsicle. You can put water inside the little hole here and put it in the freezer so that it's nice and cool for them. And he really likes this because he can grip it well. Another product that I would definitely recommend bringing on your road trip or any trip away from home is some sort of first aid kit. This one is by American Red Cross. And I add into my first aid kit Benadryl, Tylenol, and Motrin just in case there were an emergency. And I'm glad that I had Tylenol because he did cut his first tooth, and that really helped him sleep at night. And also I added in there the Frida Baby Rectal Thermometer. This thermometer is my absolute favorite. If I ever suspect he has a fever, I know that this is going to give me an accurate reading, so I definitely would recommend adding some sort of thermometer into your first aid kit if there isn't one already, but I prefer the rectal thermometers because they are more accurate. Another product that we packed was the Frida Baby Portable Sound Machine. This is really handy. It straps onto pretty much anything that you would need it to, onto the stroller or the car seat. We strapped this onto the pack and play because we didn't pack his normal sound machine, the hatch that we have for him. It's really nice. It has 5 different sounds to it, and it also has a little night light on it with 3 different light settings. So this is super convenient. It recharges with just a USB cord. So I love this product, even if it's not for a road trip, maybe for when you go out to lunch or something like that and you want to have a sound machine so that your baby sleeps a little better. Another thing that I highly recommend for any mom, especially after pregnancy and birth, my hormones are crazy, so I use this fan more than I probably use on Ryan, but it's just a rechargeable fan. Their fingers can't get stuck in the little holes, so that's really nice. And this is also rechargeable with a USB cord, so definitely, even if you don't use this for your road trips, you can use it for tons of other things. I love the fan. Always sunscreen. So this is, now that he's 6 months old, he can have sunscreen on him. This is just a roll-on one, so it's convenient because they don't like to sit still very long. I love this sunscreen. Another thing that I pack always pretty much anywhere we go, because he's very fair skin, is a hat, sun protection. This one has a little visor and also helps like protect the back of their neck with a drawstring on it. So if your baby has a smaller head, Ryan has a fairly big head, that's okay. And then also has 2 strings here so that you can tie it around their neck and it stays on really well. And the other item that I love to bring with me is just a small drying mat, because if you're anything like me and you clean bottles like a freak and have water all over your kitchen, this is really, really helpful, especially when we were staying in the hotel the first night. The bathroom sink is just... So I definitely would recommend bringing your own drying mat. And then also, I bought this at the dollar store for $1. It's really nice to just have an extra brush to pack with you for road trips. And last but not least, the Corksicle is my favorite travel cooler because it is worn as a backpack. I got the hot pink one so that my husband can carry around a pink backpack. But this one's really convenient. You can put your bottles in here, or solid foods for your baby, or whatever, hard seltzers, wine. And that is all. Thanks for listening. I hope you liked this video.